So this is kind of precarious because they've got this huge drop. I got to step up on here, get up there, and then smush them in there without falling down there and killing myself. So let's see if we can do that. Again, take a look. There's your two posts that you're going to put your batteries in. And we've got to match them up, right? And we've got to match them up correctly. So remember, the male is on the left-hand side, the female on the right. So we put these in backwards. We got to put the female, this side, in to the left. All right, on both of these. So again, take a look. The male posts on the alarm are to the left and the females are to the right. So when you put your battery in, you want to have your female to the left and your male to the right. Okay, so you make sure that you do that. All right, let's go try and do this. Here we go. Here goes nothing again. Oh, this thing's really unstable. Jesus Christ. I hope I don't kill myself. All right, so I got to get on here. Then I got to put a foot here. I got to put a foot there. First, I'm going to put my batteries up here. I'm going to grab a hold of that. There we go. Bam, I'm up. And now we got to see if we can do this. What do you guys think? Let's give it a try. All right, so again, I want my female to the left. So I'm going to slide it in there like that. And I got to push it. Oh, it's not in there. That's not working. What the hell? Oh my God. This is ridiculous. See if I can get up here more. All right, so I got to show you. All right, so look, I got to get it right in there. All right, so let's give it a try. I think I got it. Let's try this side. So it's not working, right? No, this thing is not working. Ah, shit. Okay, we got to get a new one. I'm going to have to install a new one. Oh my God.